Spencer Easton here. Lean improvement for the day with scheduling, something everyone loves talking about. So right here, I have an amazing schedule that would save a ton of time on a project. And the tool I use to do it is an amazing tool called Group and Sort By. It is freaking amazing. On this project, I have set up amazing activity codes. And how I do it is what makes it so powerful. So right here, I have my major trade partners right here, and they have their scopes of work, their major scopes of work that I would have activities broken out for. Right here underneath as children. Use these arrows over here to accomplish that. So CJ Coakley, for instance, is our frame or drywall contractor, and you can see that by the major scopes of work. And right here, over here to the side, you can see that that's how the schedule is broken out. There's CJ Coakley, there's wall framing, and those are those bands that usually are the WBS. And how I achieve that is on Group and Sort. Instead of grouping by WBS, which this usually says right here, I have grouped by trade partner. I also have a page breakout, and I'll show you the cool thing with the page breakout and what that actually does. But these bands over here that say wall framing, those are the group and sort by bands. Whatever you group and sort by, that's what's going to present right here. And since I am grouping and sorting by activity code, it is showing the activity code in the parent-child relationship that I have in my activity codes. So it's freaking amazing. So let's go down to one and look at it. Ceiling framing, look at this. Hard lid soffit framing. Look at that flow, look at that rhythm, look at that cadence. Oh, are we stacking? We might be stacking a little bit here. We need to crew tie these, whatever we need to do. So you can see the flow and the rhythm and the cadence really well in this type of a breakout, in this type of a solution. Also, usually with a scheduler or a project team, you would go in here and you would have a ton of layouts, one for every single trade partner. And you would have one, and you'd go through and you'd print it. And if you've ever printed out of P6, you know it's ridiculously slow. So if you have one that is set up with the page break function, you've actually printed all of them all in one. So if you go to your print preview, here's the CJ Coakley scopes. Here's the things that we talked about. Those are all the major scopes, all the activities. There's the next one. Usually in P6, that next band, Dominion plumbing scope, that actually would go right here, and then you'd start. But I've done a page break on the major band, which is number 1. And that's why it breaks to the next page, leaving Dominion with their own personal PDF. So if you go to Bluebeam, you can send these extremely easy. You can say send pages 1 through 5. That's what CJ Coakley has. And you send that out as an email really quick and simple. Or you can continue to waste time and have individual layouts. The choice is up to you. I have saved a ridiculous amount of time in doing that and been able to show some amazing information with using that one function. I hope this has helped, and it will help you if you choose to implement this and this amazing tool, which is freaking amazing, Group and Sort By.